digging it with a new GT500 right by it. I actually haven't seen this car yet. Oh, this is nice. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. So we are in the Golf R today and we are taking it to its first car meet, and it's going to be a good one. There's going to be a lot of awesome cars there. I haven't been to a car meet in months. I'm sure some of you can relate. So this one's going to be a packed night tonight. It's the first one where everybody's back. So we're going to keep our distance still, but there's going to be some sick cars there. So I'm going to take you guys along with me today. So let's go check it out. Yo! Check it out. We got a Prowler. I haven't seen one of those in forever. Pretty cool, actually. Let's try to race them. The all-wheel drive system does really help you come out through these turns. Yeah, I'm done. And hit it. Guys, this is the back road awesome drive in the Stage 2 Golf R, stuck behind a Subaru Outback. And yeah, so this is the S curve here. Leisurely 10 miles an hour, actually under the speed limit, guys. 10 miles an hour under the speed limit, because, you know, we don't want to be too safe and go, you know, the speed limit. So I hope you guys are enjoying this insane drive with the Stage 2 Golf R here into the turn. Oof, this is wild. This is what I'm gonna have to shift into fifth for this one, guys. Fifth gear. I'm making way too much noise.
The next day.
On the brakes, on the brakes, on the brakes. Are you freaking serious? Thank you, let's go. Well, we caught up to that guy really fast as well. There we go. Wow, let's wheel spin there. Wow, guys, just got here. This is insane. There's nowhere to park. We're like, I don't know, freaking half mile from the actual meet. The actual shows is way over there, so yeah, we're parked over here. We found some V-dub crew to park next to, so I guess let's wander our way and see what we find. There are literally cars as far as the eye can see. There's some pretty sick stuff up front. Definitely you can tell it's the first meet back because everybody wants to be out here. Dang, some really clean 280Zs. This blue one got a really nice stance to it. That's sick. Yo, check this NSX. Mike's NSX, first time I've seen it in person. Yo, hit the like button for this. Mint. Wide body. We're gonna get this on the channel, I promise you. He's been busy. But Mike, when you're not busy, if you're watching this video, we gotta get this on the channel. Everyone's gonna love this car. So nice. So we got also, behind that crowd of people, we got a new Corvette, which I haven't seen in person. A bunch of old school classics that are really nice. F in the chat, boys. F in the chat. Whoa. New vet. Definitely looks more aggressive in person. Pretty much digging it with a new GT500 right by it. I actually haven't seen this car yet. Let's check this thing out. Oh, this is nice. Carbon fiber wheels. Wow, the seats are pretty sick. It's a good looking car. I like the wing. Man. If I had to get a Mustang, right there. Was so close to buying an RS3, but didn't happen. Maybe one day, but this one looks pretty nice. We've got a couple Supras, including Kevin's, repping out here. If you guys didn't see the video that we just did with Kevin's car, make sure to go check that out. It's making about 700 on E85. It was an insane car, so go check out that video. Link in the description. Wow. Wow, wow. So many cars here. Fortunately, we got to get out of here for now, but great meet. We're definitely going to get a few of these cars on the channel coming up soon because some clean ones here today. So guys, editing this video a few days later, I realized that I did not make an outro. So anyway, that was a really good meet. However, we did leave early because it started to get really crowded and I had a feeling that it was gonna get broken up. And sure enough, like 15 minutes later, the cops came and basically shut it down permanently, which kind of stinks because that was a really good meet and a really good spot. But anyway guys, what do you guys think of the 2020 Corvette versus the 2020 GT500? If you could have one, which one would you buy? Let me know in the comment section below. For me, as cool as that GT500 is, I think I would have to go with the Corvette. I'm still kind of on the back end of it after seeing it in person, but the front end definitely looks more aggressive than it does in the pictures, and just the whole mid-engine thing I think would be really cool. So I would pick the Corvette, but I don't know. You guys might differ. Let me know in the comment section below. But anyway guys, we're gonna end the video here. Make sure if you aren't already to please hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram if you aren't for some behind the scenes stuff. And that's pretty much gonna do it for now guys. As usual, thank you for watching and we'll catch you all on the next video. Peace.